Welcome to Field Services Rewired, your guide to integrating the voice of the customer, or VoC, into your operations. Your customers are constantly giving you a roadmap for improvement. The question is, are you truly listening? Isolated, ignored feedback sitting unread in inboxes is utterly useless. We need to turn that data into action. Field Services Rewired emphasizes creating a continuous, integrated voice of the customer loop that directly drives immediate, operational changes. To get started, we need a better focus. Moving beyond basic satisfaction scores is key. Instead of focusing only on satisfaction, zero in on the customer effort score, or CES. High effort points pinpoint immediate process and technology failures. A low CES on rescheduling, for example, tells you exactly what to fix. The next step is to close the loop, communicating back to the customer the improvements you made based on their feedback. By closing this loop, you dramatically build customer trust and foster lasting loyalty. Ready to turn customer pain into process perfection? Here are 3 action steps for integrating the voice of the customer: effort, root cause, and communicate. Our first action step centers around tracking effort, not just satisfaction. You must implement customer effort score, or CES, tracking. Replace or supplement traditional CSAT and NPS surveys with questions focused specifically on customer difficulty. Immediately after service, send a 2-question survey asking, how easy was it to get your issue resolved, and what was the biggest hurdle? Prioritize action on the highest friction points. Action step 2 involves investigating the systemic causes of those high-effort complaints. Establish a cross-functional root cause team. Dedicate a small, agile team to investigate the systemic issues behind high-effort complaints. For instance, when CES drops below your target, assemble a root cause squad with personnel from dispatch, IT, and a technician to find the process or technology failure, not just blame the individual technician. Our third and final action step is about completing the feedback circuit with your customers. Systematically close the feedback loop with customers. Communicate, either publicly or privately, the specific actions taken based on the feedback you collected. After fixing a process identified by a complaint, send a targeted email to affected customers, explaining the specific fix. This shows you value their input. By focusing on customer effort, investigating root causes, and communicating fixes, you ensure every piece of feedback drives real change. Voice of the customer integration is the roadmap to customer-driven change and process perfection. Field Services Rewired is your comprehensive guide to making customer-driven change a reality. Thank you for watching.
For insights and ideas to transform your organization, subscribe at Purposeful Nudge. Get a copy of Field Services Rewired and visit July4autonomy.com. Make a meaningful change today.